Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, saya Emai Marsita, mahasiswa S2 Magister Manajemen Logistik. Di sini saya akan memaparkan tugas asesmen akhir saya dengan mata kuliah Manajemen Pengelolaan Persediaan tahun akademik 2023-2024, yaitu tentang summary of the article with the title on a deterministic approximation of inventory system with sequential Probabilistic Service Level Constraint dengan autor Lai Wen, Stefanus Jasin, Lin Wei Xin. Dengan dosen pengampu yaitu Dr. Insinyur Agus Purnomo MT. Untuk abstrak dari artikel ini yang bisa saya simpulkan yaitu this paper examine, exam, exam, examines the performance of a natural order up to follies in inventory models with service level constraint. The model, which includes backorder and lost sales, has independent demand, positive lead times, and sequential probabilistic constraint. The study, the study shows that the policy is assumption, assume, assume socially optimal for both system in high service level settings, with a stronger performance bound for the backorder system. The analysis also includes constructing an alternative backorder system with a related total cost. The result contribute to the growing literature on inventory literature suggesting the near optimality of simple heuristic policy and support the use of deterministic approximation for solving complex inventory problems. Introduction. For introduction in this paper is this paper explore the performance of a simple order up to policy in back order and low sell inventory system with positive lead time and sequential service level constraint. The author saw that the absolute loss of the heuristic policy with respect to the optimal policy scales linearly in the number of periods T and coverage to 0 as the service level increased to 100%. They also saw that the policy is near optimal in the regime of large demand, where the demand variability has a smaller order of magnitude than its expected value. Focus on solving inventory models with sequential service level constraint. For the methodology, uh, step 1, order up to policy with deterministic approximation. Step 2, analysis of backorder and lost sales inventory system. Have three assumption. Assumption 1, the order quantity arriving in periods 1, 2, and then are decided jointly at the beginning of period 1. Assumption 2, the initial inventory level at the beginning of period 1 is 0. And assumption 3, we allow fractional continuous order quantity and demand fulfillment. For step 3, deterministic approximation method for the rumus is use this. And the last, solving inventory model with service level constraint. This is methodology used in this paper. And for the result one, order up to policy is asymptotically optical for back order and loss sales system. And point two, deterministic approximation is effective for inventory problems with high service levels. And point three, the paper proposed a deterministic approximation method for inventory system with service level constraint. And the last result, the method is found to be effective in solving inventory models with service level constraint. And for discussion in this paper, uh, number one, near optimally simple heuristic policy in inventory system. Point two, deterministic approximation can be effective for high service level requirement. And point three, deterministic approximation used for inventory system with service level constraint. And the last, focus on solving inventory models efficiently with sequential service level constraint. This for discussion in this paper, maybe we will good for discussion. For and conclusion in this paper have 4 point. Point one, natural order up to police asymptotically optimal. Two, deterministic approximation is effective for high service level requirement. Three, deterministic approximation is effective for solving inventory models. And four, service level constraint can be addressing using this approach. This for the conclusion. And the last, for the opinion, in my opinion, the result of this paper greatly contribute to the growing number of inventory literature that suggests optimally simple heuristic policy. In addition, the use of this deterministic approach can be one solution to solve complex inventory problem, at least for highly service level requirement. Maybe this summary eh, ringkasan yang bisa saya buat dari artikel dari paper dengan judul On a Deterministic Approximation of Inventory System with Sequential Probabilistic Service Level Constraint. Terima kasih atas perhatiannya. Saya cukupkan. Mohon maaf atas kekurangannya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.